Today in the South Bay, the winds were relentless. A big redwood tree even fell onto the roof of an elementary school in Los Gatos, injuring a little girl. ABC 7 News reporter Lauren Martinez is there right now with that story. Lauren.
Quite the scare for students and staff here at Oak Avenue School. You know, the outcome could have been much worse. We're told the student who was taken to Stanford Medical Center with her parents is expected to be okay. A student suffered a minor head injury after this redwood tree fell on her elementary school classroom. Staff at Oak Avenue School in Los Altos said it happened at 12:30 during lunchtime. Inside the classroom were second and third grade students and a teacher.
She's doing okay, obviously shaken up, but she's doing okay and just said that she wanted to be here to support the kids and she'll be in tomorrow.
Griffin said after students safely evacuated, they continued the rest of the school day.
So just really thankful that we had this outcome.
Parents picking up their kids said they're thankful too.
Kind of scary.
It's a crazy day today. We have power outage at our home as well.
The intense wind knocked several large trees down in the nearby neighborhood. This tree was off Truman and Kingston Court. A few doors down, this tree caused minor damage to the roof and the homeowner's car. Around the corner was a different story.
And eventually it gave and just fell on the fence and brought the fence down with it.
Shaheen Shabahang saw this city tree fall into her yard. She's been in contact with the city for repairs.
Obviously for reimbursement of all the expenses and quick cleanup because this is a security issue now. You know, I don't feel safe being open to the street now.
Now back here at the school, a staff member tells me that the student is expected to return by the end of the week. Reporting in Los Altos, Lauren Martinez, ABC 7 News.